Hey lovely people of the internet, so today is another Disney and Harry Potter haul. I don't think I've done one in a little while, so there's a fair few pieces to look at, and oddly enough there are more Harry Potter than Disney for a change, which is quite nice. So let's get started. So first up, one of my favourite Harry Potter pieces. I think I got this from the book depository in the end, as I had it for the best value price, and it is this, which is the mini Quidditch set replica, which is really lovely. But yeah, it doesn't come with a broomstick, so I either need to buy a broomstick replica or maybe make one, which is what I found a DIY for, so we'll look into that. Let's show you inside. So what's really cute is it comes with a little lock function that you have a key for, which is quite sweet. But yeah, and then this is inside. So you've got the little golden snitch here. This bit doesn't come out, but it's quite nice that it's there as it should be. And then you've got the Hogwarts crest design and stuff. And then you've got the individual quaffle and beaters, and these do come out. And they're quite weighty replicas, which is quite nice. Little Hogwarts crest there. Yeah, and then the beaters. And then this bit does pull out, and there is actually a little Quidditch poster underneath, which is quite sweet. But yeah, it's just a lovely little set, so I really like this one. Next up is a Disney item that I got from the Disney store, or Shop Disney I suppose now is what it's called, in the UK. And I'm quite excited because I will get to use this for the first time next month when I go on holiday, and it is this. It's a Little Mermaid Daniel Nicole passport cover. So I've already got my passport in it, so I'm going to have to be really careful to not show you details that you shouldn't see. But yeah, but I like that it's just the world is your oyster, and it's the seashell design. It's shimmery. It's got the little card holder section here, which is quite nice. And then the passport bit slots in nicely on the side. So yeah, it's just a really, really lovely design, and I can't wait to use this one. Next up for Harry Potter, I was hoping to pick this up by actually going to the Warner Bros. Studio tour. However, then that trip didn't happen, so I managed to pick it up online, and it is this one, makes a nice noise, and it's a little chocolate frog, whoops, trinket holder box. Let's edit that part out, shall we? But yeah, and it's just super, super cute. So the chocolate frog box design on the top. And then it's actually a really nice size inside, and then it's got the sort of text going around on the outside that says about getting a free wizard card with it. It's really cute. Disney next. So I think I've already featured the first in the series of these books in a previous haul video, but I got the next three in the Serena Valentino Disney villains novels. These are actually incredibly good, and I really need to get the latest one for Mother Gothel, but I just haven't picked that one up yet. But yeah, they're really good, although I am so incredibly glad that I managed to pick up the Evil Queen one first and then worked out they needed to be read in order, and that's the first one. So then I knew that then if I got all of these three, I could then make sure I read them in the right order afterwards. But yeah, they're just really, really good books. I love the twist. I love that it's sort of incorporates the original stories, and then there's a little bit extra thrown in, which is quite nice. But yeah, so definitely recommend these ones, and I can't wait to get the fifth one to read as well. So another few Harry Potter ones. So first up, I'm quite happy with this one. I found it on eBay actually, is this Marauders map replica. So it's really good. So yeah, no, I don't think it's an official one. It's definitely not an official one. But I got it for a really reasonable price, and I really like the detailing on the inside. But yeah. So it's just super, super nice. Yeah, I would recommend owning any Marauders map if you're a really big Harry Potter fan, definitely. So another item that I've picked up recently is that I got myself a new time turner because the one that I had been gifted had tarnished incredibly badly. So I picked up a new one, which I quite like. It's got the full mechanism with the sand that moves in the middle, and it's got the wording all around the discs. Yeah, and it's quite a nice size. But yes, I really, really like that one. As a very big Tangled fan, this next item from Shop Disney I really, really had to have, and it has not disappointed, although I haven't used it yet. And it's this little animator's Rapunzel journal. I really like the embossing of Rapunzel and Pascal. I think that's really cute. I love this design. I like that it's got the gold leaf along the edges of the pages. It comes with its own pen, although it's it's a bit of a felt pen type one, so I don't know if I'd always use this one with it, but it's at least a fine liner felt tip, which is quite nice. But yeah, and then on the inside it's just got a little lantern motif and a little tower motif, which I think is incredibly sweet, and that's the same on all the pages. So it's unlined, so I think if you were creative and really good at drawing like Rapunzel is, I think this would actually make a really good doodle sketch notebook. The paper's actually really nice quality, I think. But yeah, love this one. So back to Harry Potter, and I was really happy to pick up in January some leftover house baubles. Here we go. But yeah, it's a long time ago now, January. But yeah, and I really like these. I wanted these the last time around, but they never had them in my Primark. And so then when they did, I had to get them. And so another cute Harry Potter Primark find was these Love Potion socks. I love the fact that these actually came in like a little heart-shaped clear bauble, so you could give them as a gift. I've never been able to get them back neatly inside the bauble. I still have it just in case I want to try it for a photo. But yeah, but I just think they're really sweet socks. I love the little glittery hearts on them. Cute Primark Disney find was this little Mickey Mouse biro. So I like that it's got his little head, and then you've got his face in different expressions around here, and then it's just a twisty one to write. But yeah, it's just a black biro, and it's just really cute and lovely. But yeah, and I like writing with this one. These next two I managed to find through Amazon. So first up are these Harry Potter playing cards, which I think are super duper lovely. So here's how they are inside. So you've got the different Hogwarts houses instead of like spades and clubs and hearts. So you've got the different houses. But yeah, and so then sort of like the king and stuff, you've got a big crest, and then for the number ones you've just got sort of like the individual animal symbol. But yeah, and they're just really cute. And then on the back you've got the Hogwarts crest like on the tin. And the next Amazon find is this one, which is this lovely Gryffindor House notebook. I love the nice bright red, I love the gold embossed crest. Just lined paper on the inside. Then on the inside covers it's got sort of like the Gryffindor crest as well. It's got a nice sort of Hogwarts style crest where you can put property of. On the opening page it's quite nice that it sort of has the details about Gryffindor House and some of the notable characters, which is quite cute. But yeah, and then it's just the same patterning on the back as well. So back to Disney, and from one of the Cath Kidston ranges I added another of the melamine beakers to my collection, and I got the Seven Dwarfs one because I thought this one was really sweet actually. I like that you've got all 7 of them. I like the blue stars because they match one of these beakers that I've got. I think it was like one of the Mickey ones. But yeah, and I just think it's super sweet. So back to Primark, and I couldn't have been happier to manage to get this one. It's the Grimm teacup that they did. I like that it's got the Grimm as it like would have appeared in the bottom of the cup in the films on the side, and then on the back, on the reverse, it's got "My dear, you have the Grimm," which is obviously Professor Trelawney's line. But yeah, this is just a lovely one to have on display. It looks really good in pictures. And then as a tea drinker, I really like the fact that the saucer says Accio tea. Really like that detail, that's super lovely. And then a sort of Harry Potter find, more Wizarding World find, was this pin that was released for Fantastic Beasts Crimes of Grindelwald by Lumos. So a bit of the cost went towards the charity, which is always lovely. But yeah, and I just really like the detail. So it's Newt's wand, and then what is the name of the animal? It's the Okami. Finally got there. But yeah, and it's just super lovely. And then it's got Lumos here on the side as well, which is just really nice. Let's try and get you a little close-up shot. There you go. It's really sweet, I think. So back to Primark for Disney, and I was really happy to pick up this Tinkerbell perfume that was released as part of the Tinkerbell beauty range that they had in for a little while, like a little pink fluffy pom-pom, and then it's got Tinkerbell on the bottle. And I actually think the bottle's actually quite classy. If you take off the pom-pom, it's actually like a really traditional vintage style bottle. But what really attracted me to this one was the fact that the scent actually smelled like a more expensive one that I've been thinking about getting. So then I went for this one for the time being, and then I may still go and get the other one. But I liked the fact that this one was Tinkerbell. So another eBay Harry Potter find was this Luna Lovegood wand. I actually think it's a fairly good replica, considering, again, it's an official one, but I actually think it's really nice. I've always liked Luna as a character, so if I had to get one to start with, I thought Luna's would be a good one to have. But yeah, and I like the design at the top of hers. I think it's really, really sweet. But yeah. So we are back to Primark and back to Tinkerbell again for the next Disney one, and it's this pack of 3 train liner socks. So you've got this one, which is Off to Neverland. Then you've got Fairies of the Future with Tinkerbell's face on. And then you've just got this one, which has got her silhouette and her wings in this dark grey silvery material. But yeah, I really like the grey and the mint colour. I think that's really super duper lovely. But yeah, and I liked the sort of Tinkerbell theming of these ones there. They're just super, super cute. So back to Harry Potter, and on Amazon I found this cute little company that were doing like Hogwarts acceptance letter type set. So it's not an exact replica of the official ones, but it's a really cute one to have, and it's personalised, which is quite nice. So yeah, so you get to put your own name and an address on it. I went with the fake address, obviously. But yeah, and then inside, so you've got your acceptance letter, which is pretty cute. And then they also included the list of required items. There's had a list of spells, and yeah, and there was just a little thing that you could give if it was a gift, which I thought was really quite sweet, which was lovely because it was coming through normal post rather than via owl post, which I thought was quite cute if you're giving it to a child. But yeah, but I thought it was just quite a nice thing to have, and it's good for photos and things. So yeah. So next up is an item that I found on Etsy from a store called Dear Heart Print Company. I originally found them through Instagram. I love that I managed to do that all the time, and you actually find some really unique items from small shops. I like to buy from them whenever I can if possible. So what I picked up was this lovely print. I liked that it was sort of the 6 original characters. So you've got Mickey and Minnie, and you have got Donald and Daisy, and you've got Goofy and Pluto. And I liked the sort of sketch style, so it was in black and white. I don't know if you can see behind because of the contrast, but I've got this Mickey mirror here, and I thought this print, when framed like in a black frame, would look super nice on the wall next to that one. But yeah, so I love the style. And then I actually got this one as a bonus with it, which I thought was really lovely because it's in the same style, but it's Steamboat Mickey. So I'm quite looking forward to displaying this one as well. I really like all of the prints that the shop sells. I would totally recommend it if you're looking for a Disney print and you want it to be a little bit unusual, but still very much the traditional sort of animation style. So yeah, it's super duper cute. Next up, back to Primark, and I found my house mug from there. I thought it was really cute. I loved the checkerboard style of these ones. I liked the crest and I liked the colouring. But yeah, it's possibly more a display one because I don't think it's the most practical design to drink from. But yeah, I just thought it was super, super cute. So one of my last couple of Disney items, back to Catechism, and I think from their most recent range, which is the Bambi one, I picked up these rather adorable glass beakers with Bambi and Thumper on. I really liked the design of this, and I liked the idea of having a nice matching set of glass beakers. I'll get them out to show you. So here they are out of the box. But I mean, how cute was the box packaging as well, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, and they're just super duper lovely. So the same back and front. But yeah, and I just thought it was a really nice classic Bambi design. I'm actually a big fan of Thumper as a character, and I like the fact that it's the two of them together. But yeah, and they're a really decent sized beaker, so they're super lovely. So my last Harry Potter item is this fab Marauder's map book. It's actually really sweet. It's really interactive. It's got lots of details sort of about the Hogwarts castle and stuff, and it's got excerpts from the Marauder's map, which is super duper cute. But what is really super duper cool about it is that the wand that it comes with is not only a invisible ink marker, so there are a couple of pages at the back that you can doodle in and then use the light that's on the end to reveal them, but it's on the map pages. There are also bits that you can reveal with a pen as well. And so lastly for Disney, from Shop Disney, was this rather cute bag. It's this Oh Mickey bag, so it's in the shape of a speech bubble, and it's got Oh Mickey, which is like one of Minnie's catchphrases. But yeah, so you can either use it a little bit like a clutch bag, or it's got a removable strap that's a really decent length actually. So yeah, and I just love the classic colours with the pop of red on the white and black. So yeah, super cute. And so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know down in the comments below what you thought of my buys. Let me know about any recent buys that you found that you'd like to share. I'll pop some links here to some other videos that you might be interested in. If you did like this video, do hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, do hit subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. See ya!